Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So before we jump into it, watch out for spam WhatsApp in the comments down below. So as we know, guys, this is definitely bad and it's a setup. So as I was telling you guys in the previous video, the first video on the day, how the feds will be coming out speaking on the middle of the week around Wednesday at 1:30. Powell, and he definitely having that on and off switch. We know they done came out before and said one thing, came out again, said the opposite, came out again, said the opposite of that, and just going back and forth. And basically, in a nutshell, they basically saying they is going to be aggressive on inflation, they on attacking it, then they're going to be less aggressive, which in returns dictates how the market will either go bullish or decline and pull back, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what's going on, why I say this is bad, and what to look forward to going into next week. As we know, guys, like I told you guys, that gap, the market still has another 15-20% that is going to come down. Bitcoin still could come down to $10,000-$11,000 range, right? And guess what? Before they just drastically let the market drop like that, which is already already mechanically already priced in the market. Like it's already gonna happen before it happened. Kind of like fate, if we could put that in a nutshell. But anyways, it's already set in stone to happen, right? But they would try and do stuff to create a narrative like what they about to do, which is about to be the COVID. You're about to hear about it. China just reached new records with COVID. Whenever they protesting, right? It's about to hit over here in the U.S. The same thing is about to happen. They about to some kind of way drastically bring. And I was just making videos. You see how COVID just drastically went away. On nobody talking about it. It was dead. I got clips in my video just speaking on this crazy world. But anyways, we don't get into all that. But anyways, over here in the U.S., I'm pretty sure, guys, they're gonna start saying we automatically hit a new record over here too, and they're gonna start doing the same over here. In return, this is going to cause a lot of chaos and could drastically pull down the market, guys, because of fear, people trying to hold on to their money, hold on to their funds, a lot of stuff, a lot of uncertainty, and which is going to end up bringing the market down and bringing Bitcoin and crypto down and closing that gap. And then all of a sudden, you're going to see the market soaring off like a bat out of hell, regardless of what the economy is looking like, regardless of what's going on, regardless of, it don't matter. The market is just going to be going crazy. But anyways, like I told you guys, the only way that don't happen, the market come down more and Bitcoin close that, is if things drastically change from where we currently stand at, which I don't see happening. But the only reason we count, but what we looking forward to and what we in the meantime looking at is just bullish markets happening within this bearish market. That's why we'll hop in, take advantage of it, and then hop right back out, putting ourselves in that cash position, waiting for the best opportunities. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a further look though at see what's going on with this, because this thing is about to get messy. So if we see, say, like I told you guys, to give us a little indication of homework, the Dow Jones futures fall. So it's falling on this evening or the night or whatnot, guys. And I'm pretty sure it's with the concerns of what's going over there in China with the COVID or whatnot and the protests that's been happening. So we got right here, the stock market rally had solid gains in the holiday shortened Thanksgiving week. Like I told you guys, if it wasn't for what's about to be the outbreak news with this COVID, the market was about to soar next week. It was ready. Now this COVID mess done scared Bitcoin, done scared the market. You see Bitcoin done tanked, SHIB done tanked, crypto just tanked out of nowhere this last few hours or whatnot, a couple hours. But like we know, guys, like I say, get prepared for anything to happen in the market right now. But I'm pretty sure, it ain't nothing to worry about. The market is going to come back stronger than ever, guys. Just the short time frame, this in between time, we just like to let you guys know exactly what's about to go down, what's about to happen. So if we take a look right here, guys, they say a protest against COVID controls erupt across China. So rare protests broke out across China over the weekend as groups of people vented their frustration over the zero COVID policy. The unrest came as infection surged, prompting more local COVID controls, while a central government policy change earlier this month had raised hopes of a gradual easing. It was not immediately clear whether the protests reached a meaningful scale in the country of 1.4 billion people or whether a wide demographic participated. So guys, as we know, Things is heating back up with this COVID mess. So that's going to shake the market up very, very nicely. So be prepared, brace yourselves going into tomorrow, guys. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. Watch out for spam. Get your free stock down below with Webull and Robinhood. Hit me up for a phone call. I love y'all. We out. We go.